Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum. Today our topic is details of the assessment, and specifically we are going to talk about section B, that is summary and short response. It has 25 marks in total. Now let's talk about the breakup of these marks. In your paper 1, your reading paper, question number 1 is comprehension task, question number 2 is use of language task, and question number 3 has two parts. First is A, that is summary task, and in this summary writing task, basically candidates answer a summary task in response to text B. You all are aware that you have two texts. Text A is for comprehension and use of language task, and text B is for summary writing task, summary writing and short response. So candidates answer a summary task in response to text B. Candidates write a summary as continuous writing of no more than 150 words. Text B is approximately 550 to 600 words long. So basically I want to discuss your assessment objectives here. Before preparing for this section B, summary writing and short response, you need to go through these AOs, these assessment objectives. So for summary writing task, for 3A, question 3A, we have 4 assessment objectives. 4, R1 and R5, and writing W2 and W3. That means we have 10 marks for the content, and objectives here are R1 and R5. And secondly, we have 10 marks for quality of writing, and for that we have 2 writing objectives. Now look at first objective, that is R1. Demonstrate understanding of explicit meanings. That shows that here you don't have to understand anything. The ideas are clearly written there. You just have to extract them. You just have to take them out and use them in your summary writing. So first thing is that you are capable of taking out or understanding the explicit meanings of a text. So explicit means something that is clearly written there. R5 is that you are capable of selecting and using the information for specific purposes. This assessment objective is basically about selection of the content. When you read text B, and you have to, sometimes your question is related to advantages or good points of something. Sometimes it is about disadvantages of something. So according to your question, when you are reading the text, you have to underline or you have to select the information, and after that you have to use that for summary writing. This is our R5. This is 10 marks for reading. Now this question also assess or check your writing objectives, your writing skills. This question also tests the following writing assessment objectives and 10 marks. Summary writing or summary task has 20 points, 20 marks. So W2 means writing to AO number 2. Writing objective number 2 is organize and structure ideas and opinions for deliberate effect. That means all the information that you have selected there, you have to organize that and structure all those ideas and opinions for writing the summary. And once you have those ideas with you, you have to write them in your own words. W3 is writing objective number 3 is that use a range of vocabulary and sentence structure appropriate to the context. That means once you have selected the information, after that you are capable of using it with your own vocabulary or with the help of your own words for writing a good summary. That is our question 3A. Now we are going to talk about question 3b, that is short response. In this video we are just discussing assessment objectives of section B, that is summary writing task and short response. So now we are going to talk about 3b, that is short response. Question number 3b is short response task, and here candidates give a short response to show understanding of implicit meanings and attitudes in response to text B. So short response is basically about implicit meanings. In short response, I had already told you that you have to keep 2-3 points in your mind. One thing, that you have to imagine being another person. It's not about your opinion or what you think is right or what you think is wrong. It's about the opinion of the person given in the question. Second thing, you have to keep in your mind the perspective of that person who is given in the question. If the question says that you have enjoyed your visit, if question says that you didn't like that thing, then you have to keep this perspective in your mind, and then you have to make your answer negative or positive according to the given perspective. After that, third point is that you have to use information given in the text. You cannot create things from your own. You have to use the words, you have to use the sentences given in the text. Now look at the assessment objectives that we have to use here. R2, reading objective number 2, demonstrate understanding of implicit meanings and attitudes. In short response, you have to take out hidden ideas, hidden attitudes, implicit meanings between the lines. You have to read, you have to infer it yourself, you have to make up your answer yourself. You have to go for hidden meanings given in the text according to the given question. You'll read that, and after that, once you have that part of the text, you will write that according to your understanding, what you have understood or what is actually the implicit meaning of that part of the text. So that's all about the assessment objectives of summary writing task and short response. After this, we are going to talk about summary writing. Basically, what are different things that you have to keep in mind while writing summary, and what are the things you will take care of while writing short response. Okay, Allah Hafiz.